In need of garage door repair? Well, look no further. At Davis Door Service, we service, install, and repair all makes and models of garage doors, garage door openers, and gates. Davis Door Service is your authorized LiftMaster dealer and technician. We offer same-day service along with our 24-hour emergency service. All of our products and services come with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. So call us today at 817-572-2938 or visit us online for special offers and a free online estimate at davisdoorservice.com. Davis Door Service. If you can break it, we can fix it.